Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a special kind of text type and that is journal entry. In this video I will try to cover everything that you need to know like how to decode the given task in exam and how to structure your response. We'll define journal writing and explore the various forms of journaling by just analyzing the prompts that were given in the past papers. This kind of exercise may be useful to you for an understanding of this specific text type. Now look at the question that was given in May-June 2017. Imagine your mama means a mother. Later that same day, you write your journal entry reflecting back on the day's event. Write mama's journal entry. In your journal entry, you should explain your feelings and concerns about what you had to do that day, how each of your children behaved and their reactions that day, and the future for yourself and your family, and what will happen now. And this kind of prompt is categorized as reflective journal. And what happens in reflective journal? It basically involves self-reflection, or you may call it self-discovery. When you write reflective journal, you write about different things like your goals, your challenges, your successes, or your fears. And you can also reflect on your interactions with other people or like your relationships. And in this kind of journal entry, you ask yourself certain questions like, what did I learn today? Or you may ask, how did I handle a tough situation? Or what kind of emotions did I experience and why? In 2018, you were given an entirely different prompt. Let me read it for you and then you decide what kind of journaling is this one. Imagine that you are Leo, the narrator's son in passage A. You have decided to write a journal entry describing the fishing trip to the mountain lake with your father. It means person has gone with his father to some mountain lake and describing the fishing trip. It means you are showing the audience that what you have seen there, what you have experienced there. So write your journal entry. In your journal entry, you should describe, then describe and explain. Means describe the sights and sounds, describe how you felt. It means in your feelings involved there, how when you experience something, how you felt, and explain how these experiences mean when you felt something. It means how these experiences of yours have changed your perspective or influenced your attitude to the natural world. So you may consider this kind of journal writing is as travel journal. For example, a person who loves traveling and experience something and wants to tell the audience about that experience. Just remember when you're writing a travel journal, you can write about the things like the sight and the sounds of that place, the flavors of the local cuisine, the people you meet there, the challenges and the triumphs of your journey. You can also reflect on how your travels are impacting or changing you personally and emotionally, and what you're exploring about yourself and the world around you. It can also be a way, means travel journal can also be a way to share your adventure with others and you inspire them to explore the world like you. In 2021, you were given a prompt like that. Your Sony, your father, and the rest of the family have watched the video you made to record the 50th birthday bicycle ride. It means father has 50th birthday, and on that birthday, he had a bicycle ride. After the family have watched the video, you write your journal entry. As a son, you're writing journal entry in which you describe your father's plans and preparations for his birthday, for his 50th birthday, and how you felt about them. Explain the hardships and the challenges your father faced on the journey because if it is 50th birthday, it means 50 years old man. He was what kind of challenges he faced on his journey, that is the bicycle ride up the hill, and your thoughts as you watched him cycling. Describe your father's reactions as he watched his finished birthday video of the whole ride. This prompt can be categorized as a daily journal, where you can write about anything that is on your mind. And some people use it as a way to process the emotions, and while others use it to set and track their goals. And it can also be a way to show gratitude and appreciation for the simple things in life. And now in 2024, you are given a prompt like you are Abdul at the end of your first day selling smoothies at the market. You write a journal entry in which you reflect on your experiences. In your journal entry, you should explain the most important considerations you had when wanting to set up a business, and you explain your thoughts. You're explaining this time, you're not describing, you're explaining your thoughts. It means why. And feelings about your business partner, Damia, and the advantages and the drawbacks of being in the business together. It means the pluses and the minuses. of having a partner in business. Describe how you see your business developing in the future and any concerns you may have. So it can also be categorized as reflective journaling, because here you're reflecting on your interactions with others, as Damia here, and your relationship with that person and your personal and professional development.